we're back with another Workflows Mythbusters series video, this time covering off our Arrears workflow. In the previous video, you may have seen us take a look at what simple arrears automation looks like with the SMS reminders. But in today's video, we're going to get down into the nitty-gritty by taking a look at the customization options that you've got in the advanced workflow. So what I'm going to do is dive into our settings here by clicking that little button where the rocket ship is and hitting my edit preferences. So as you can see here, the big difference is not only will I have the option to be sending SMS, but I can also send email notifications too. I have the option to set when I first start to send my arrears notifications out, the channel that I'd like to send it out from, and the template that is sent to my tenants in a series of escalating reminders. Now, if you haven't edited the templates before, Console Cloud does come with a bunch of out-of-the-box templates for you to use, but the great thing here is you do have the ability to go and edit all of those templates as you'd like, and I'll dive into that in the next section. So as you can see here, all I really need to do is hit this Add New button, select the day that I'd like my SMS or email to be sent, select whether I'd like it to be an SMS or an email, and then choose my particular template to be sent. Now, what we do find is really successful with agencies that do see the best gains in terms of their arrears reduction is to use an alternating series of both SMS as well as email. That way you can make sure that you're hitting all of your tenants on multiple channels, so nothing's really getting lost. So as you can see here, you've got your templates in a series of escalating reminders. And the really cool thing is that all of these templates are contextual to the arrears workflow. So within your workflows in Console Cloud, when you are using your templates, you'll notice that the only templates that do pop up are the ones that are actually relevant to your workflow. So as you can see here, I've got all of my email templates available. And if I change this over to SMS, I can see all of my SMS templates. I'm just going to set one here and then hit the save button, and that's all done. Easy peasy. Now, if I'd like to dive over into where my templates are being stored, all I need to do is hop into my settings and head down into my templates section. So as you can see here, you've got all of your templates available. And if I'd like to just filter this down into my arrears templates, all I need to do is hit that little filter button, select arrears, hit apply, and that's filtered everything down here for you. So as you can see, you've got your residential as well as commercial templates within here as well if you are managing commercial properties. And if I'd like to edit a template at any given time, I can do so just by clicking on it. But before I do that, I'd just like to draw your attention to this little flag that's being shown up here on the screen. If you do see the flag here on your screen and you hover over it, you can see that this template is currently being used by the Arrears workflow. So you know whatever templates you are editing are currently being actively used within the workflows that you've got activated. Say I'd like to edit this template, what automatically pops up is just the view of how it will show to your tenant. And if I hit edit on this one, I can change the name, the subject line, and see all of the available fields within the template to be used that are contextual again to the specific workflow. So you don't need to you won't make the mistake of accidentally putting in any tokens or information into the wrong communication, which is very, very handy. So if I'd like to just edit this, I might get rid of some of this clear space and I'd like to see what that's going to look like, I can just hit that preview button and now I can see what it looks like. If I did want to upload any attachments, I do have the ability to do that as well, just making it easier and better for you guys to really customize those communications and make sure that it's in your agency's tone of voice and attach any relevant policies, procedures, or updates that you'd like to show to your tenants. So that is our overview of the advanced customization within the Arrears workflow. Thanks for watching.